Welcome back. Now, in order to incorporate applications into Dynamics 365, there are a few things you want to know about the interface. There are four primary methods of being able to create apps. One is the pre-built app section for Microsoft Dynamics 365. There are also other outside applications that you can import through AppSource. There are Power Apps that have been built to extend Dynamics, and all three bring different aspects of extensions to Microsoft 365, which ultimately extends your Microsoft Office 365. So we're going to start first with a few apps that have been created specifically for Microsoft Dynamics. And if you scroll down all the way to the bottom, you're going to notice a section of pre-built applications. For example, the My Expenses application, which we added to our Microsoft Dynamics, allows us to create expenses and then to submit them for approval. Once we delete all of the sample data out of the expense app, this app is made for us to submit our expenses to be approved. And what the app allows us to do is to provide our team the ability to submit their expenses for approval either prior to them spending it or after spending it and in need of being reimbursed. This is one of the applications that you can add to your Microsoft 365 and can be useful if you are working within a team. Another application pre-built by Microsoft is an onboarding task manager. It allows you to create a list of things where if a person is new to your team, you can have them run through these things and have these things added to their to-do list. And you can set up resources for them as they go through their to-do list. So this is yet another application that takes advantage of all of the things that we are doing within Microsoft 365 as well as the existing resources within Outlook as well as OneDrive. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.